Starting embroidery on a cap. After the machine starts, the display shows the current embroidery progress and the stage of the design being processed. You can view the active needle number, thread color, X and Y position, total stitch count, and the estimated time remaining until completion. While the machine is embroidering the first cap, a second cap can be prepared on the additional cap frame set. The second thread, color has been installed. Now complete the settings for the second needle position. Start the embroidery process. Stop the program. Remove the cap frame, release the locking clamps, and take the cap out of the frame. Remove the cap device and install the hoop holders. The distance between the holders depends on the size of the selected hoop. Select the required mounting holes and secure the holders in position. Remove the inner hoop ring, place the stabilizer, and then position the fabric to be embroidered. Install the hoop ring and tighten the screw securely. The slot must be on the right side and the flat side must be on the left. Install the hoop in the correct orientation and lock it in place. To start a new embroidery job, first cancel the previous design. Open the frame selection menu, confirm the required hoop, and the machine will automatically position itself. The embroidery design is located in the center by default. It can be moved within the available sewing field. Make sure the design has been loaded correctly, then press the Start button. Remove the finished item from the machine, loosen the hoop screw, and take the fabric out of the hoop. The embroidery is complete. Remove the hoop holders and install the table support brackets. Install the tabletop. The table is required to support the border frame and prevent it from hanging down during operation. Install and secure the border frame. After the frame is installed, open the hoop selection menu and select the large embroidery field. Start the embroidery process. After the job is completed, release the clamps on the border frame and remove the material. Our embroidery is finished, and the machine is ready to become part of your production. Order yours at PrizziSewing.com.